2012 Ford F350, and my phone is just not focusing. I got a brand new phone so I could shoot video, and I left it at home. And sorry guys. So pulling vacuum on this one, as you can see, it was an Evaporator. This is one, I think I released this video a couple weeks ago. They finally got around to it. They got a brand new Ford factory part, and you can see the little oil stains right here. And if I can't remember in the video if I picked this leak up using a vacuum decay test, or probably used the electronic refrigerant leak detector, Stratus probably, I think the video was on. But if you see here, you can see when my light hits it, there's a leak there, a smaller leak there. Okay, so that's this light right here. And then using this one right here, you can see a little bit there and there. Looks like that. And that's this light right here. You can see a little bit there. This one I have to get a little closer to make it bright. These are some of the best ones I have. It's not all of them, but just to give you a reference, especially since this is the 400 nanometer, 395 or 400 nanometer. Can't remember which one that was now. 365 nanometer wavelength, and you can see the difference. This one is on, but you don't see nothing because there's a filter on there to narrow the bandwidth exactly to 365. This one has more towards the 400, and it has no filter on it, so it bleeds over. It has a little bit of everything in the span because they're not exact. And that's it on this one. Pulling down the vacuum right now, getting down there. All right, I'll be charging this in a minute, and just letting you see the result of a evaporator change out that I found a couple weeks ago.